Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a story game inside of Roblox. So let's get right into it. First, I have already built this with the gates and everything. I go in here. And I want to go up. I think I accidentally put in this spawn location here. Okay. I don't wanna. So you see the gates here. We're gonna just go over the scripts real quick. I'll also put the gate models in the description if you made your own lobby. So, local transition event is, oops, I actually forgot to tell you guys, you also have to have these events, and then there's more in here, and more in there. Local teleport service is the game's teleport service. The local teleport ID equals to 00000. Change to your other place ID, we'll talk about that later. Local players equals to a new table. Local is teleporting is false. Local teleport point equals to script.parent.teleport point. Local players allowed is script.parent.players allowed. Local gate equals to script.parent.gate, and local timer. And then local frame equals to gate.surface UI. Wait for child frame. Local player number equals to frame, wait for child player number. Local exit event equals to game.replicatedStorage.exit event. And then game.players.respawn time equals to 0. Function refresh player number.text equals to number of players. Local function remove from list char for I equals to 1, comma, number of players, do. If players, square brackets, I, equals to char.name, then table.remove players, comma, I, char humanoid.jump power equals to 50. Refresh. Local function teleport. If number of players is greater than 0, then local teleport players equals to new table. For I equals to 1, comma, number of players, do. If game.players find first child players, I, square brackets I, then table.insert teleport players, comma, game.players, comma, find first child players, square bracket I. Transition event, fire client, game.players, comma, find first child players, square brackets I. Else, remove table.remove players, comma, I. Local code equals teleport service, go in reserve server, teleport ID. Local is teleporting equals to true, teleport service, colon, teleport to private server, teleport ID, comma, code, comma, teleport players. Repeat wait until the number of players is less than or equal to 0. Is teleporting equals to false. Gate.touched, connect, function hit. If hit and hit.parent, colon, find first child, humanoid, then if is teleporting equals to false, then local player equals to game.players, colon, get player from character, hit.parent, local character equals to player.character or player.character added, colon, wait. Local inside gate equals to false. For I equals to 1, comma, number of players, do. If players, square brackets, I equals to character.name, then inside gate equals to true. If inside gate equals to false and number of players is less than players allowed value, then table.insert players, comma, character.name, character, colon wait for child, humanoid report dot cframe equals to teleport point dot cframe, refresh. Exit event, colon fire client player, player dot character removing, colon connect function char. Remove from list char. Exit event dot on server event colon connect function player. If player dot character, then player dot character dot humanoid health equals to 0. Remove from list player dot character. While wait do timer equals to 20. Wait for I equals to 1 comma timer do. Timer equals to timer minus 1. Timer number dot text equals to timer wait and then wait 1 and then teleport. That's it for this script. You may now close it off. I'm not gonna go over the other one because it's just basically the same thing. Now go into started UI. Also make sure you have these events actually. Go to started UI, go to the exit GUI, and go into the exit script. Make sure it's the same as mine. So hopefully you got the model, which will include everything else, like all the scripts and stuff, except for the lobby. But, yeah. Local exit event equals to game.replicated storage.exit event. Local player equals to game.players.local player. Exit event.on client event colon connect function. Player.player GUI colon wait for child. Exit GUI exit button dot visible equals to true. Player.player GUI colon wait for child. Exit GUI exit button dot mouse button when clicked colon connect function. Exit event colon fire server. Player.player GUI colon wait for child. Exit GUI exit button dot visible equals to false. That is it. Nothing with the transition GUI yet. I'm going to start a character scripts. Transition script. Local tween service equals to game dot colon get service tween service. Local transition event equals to game dot replicated storage dot transition event. Local player equals to game dot players dot local player. Local transition GUI equals to player dot player GUI colon wait for child transition GUI. Local frame equals to transition GUI wait for child frame. Transition event dot on client event colon connect function. Local frame visible equals to a new table. Frame dot visible equals dot background frame visible dot background transparency equals to 0. Local info equals to tween info dot new 1. Tween service colon create frame info comma info comma frame visible colon play. That's it. Now that is done with the scripts, well, if you didn't understand anything that I said, then go to a basic scripting tutorial. There's a bunch on YouTube by a bunch of really great YouTubers. Check them out. I'll also put some in the description. Now what you're going to want to do is to get the little teleport ID thing. What you're going to want to do is go to view, and it should be this one right here, the asset manager, not the toolbox, the asset manager. Click save to Roblox. Actually, file, publish to Roblox as, create new game, and I'm going to name this to story game series. like that. Should open this. Go to places, right click, add new place, and it should show up with this. Now you can rename it to whatever you want. I'm gonna just name it. It doesn't let you rename it right now, but it should. There it goes. Name it to whatever you want. I'm gonna name it to story game, like that. Now what you're gonna do is right click, copy ID to clipboard, close that, go to both of the gate models, go to the main script, go to the teleport ID, and just paste in the ID that you copied. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna want to go and test your game inside of like actual Roblox. So just go File, Publish to Roblox, or you can hit Alt and P on your keyboard. Should save it. You can close out Studio. Might show like a black screen. Cancel. Might show. Never mind. Show this. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna go here or open any web browser. Now what you're going to do is go into Roblox. Make sure that you are logged in. And then what you want to do is go to Create. And then go to your game, click the 3 dots, and then go to View on Roblox. Now click play. And you're gonna wait for Roblox to load up. "14 minutes video." Just gotta wait for Roblox. As you can see, we've loaded in. here. I'm gonna wait until this timer goes out. Also, as you can see, this text is updated. Gonna see that should transition. Attempt to teleport to a place that is restricted. Alright, let me see. So I think I got just a bug where it doesn't recognize the place ID. Or maybe it's just like not published, like the whole thing isn't published. Like the game that it's trying to teleport to isn't published. So what you're gonna want to do if that happens, open your game. You're going to want to come to the View tab and go to the Asset Manager again. Go to Places. Go to Story Game. Right click. Or no, just double click. Should open a new Roblox Studio window. And it should show this. Sorry that took so long. But it should show this. In a second, let me put this on screen. Should open the place. Should open it up. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to File, Publish Roblox As, Story Game Series, Story Game, Overwrite. Now, that should have worked. And then, what you're going to do is you're going to go back here. And we're also going to File, Publish Roblox As, Story Game Series, boom. Make sure both of those are published correctly. And then, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you're able to see it. Hold up. And I'm gonna just do this so you can see this. Okay. You're gonna wanna go back to here, refresh. make sure you've refreshed the page. Now now click play. Now that we've loaded in, let's come to any one of these, see if it works. Also, I'm going to do /console or /console like that to see server side. Anything's wrong, and it works. We are in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this long tutorial. And I will be soon making a part 2. That is it. That is it for the video.